guys, my name is Stephanie. I'm going to be showing you how to do a magic salt painting for today. It's very quick, but you can do this over and over again. You can do a very large one, a very small one, but it's really good if you like the way things feel. If you really just want to be expressive, this is the project to try. So all that you need is some watercolor. If you don't have watercolor, which not a lot of people do, all you need is paint. Any type of paint, acrylic paint, oil paint is not the best for this, but acrylic and water. That's it. So acrylic paint, water, a brush of some sort. So any type of brush will work. I have a tiny one, I have a really big one, and then you need either a paper plate or something to put your paint on, and the magic ingredient are salt. Table salt is the best type to use for this, but big, thick kosher salt or regular kosher salt will also come up with a really cool experience. If you really want, you can add some glitter to it. You can add a lot of different things to this project, but you'll see after the first try. So what you need to do is grab a piece of paper. Watercolor paper is the best, but I understand not a lot of people have that. So something thick, so when the water gets in it, it can soak it up and it doesn't just disintegrate. So a thicker paper. And what you're going to do, I already have some paint in mind. I have some neon colors, so I have a hot pink, a light blue, a electric green, and a little bit of a gold. So all you do is paint regularly. So I'm going to have my really big brush in here today. I'm going to pick a little bit of my pink. I'm just going to go for some patterns today. If you want, you can draw something specific. That will really work for this too. So we got a little bit of pink. I want to mix up some green. And then I'm going to fill in these two sides with another color. But you want to make sure this is full of water. We don't want a really dry painting, otherwise you might have some trouble with this. But I'm just filling up some shapes on this so we can get an idea of which section is which. But if I wanted to, I can make something specific. I can blend these colors. I can make some squiggles all around. But once it's still dry, you're gonna take a little bit of salt. I have a very large box, so we're gonna pour out some salt. This is the fun part. You can pick it up with your fingers and you're just gonna drip it over and it starts to kind of crystallize. You can pour it all over in just one section, but you wanna get to all the really wet sections. So all of these are gonna be full of full of salt. And if you want, you can really shake the salt between your hands and feel them back and forth. So the final product turns into this. Once it crystallizes, it kind of soaks all the colors and it creates a really, really cool effect. This is kosher salt, so it's not as extreme. Table salt will give you a really interesting look. But this is a quick project you can try. If you want to do it in a bigger scale, it'll be really cool what the final piece looks like, and you can add whatever you want into it, but you can do this over and over again and as many different colors, as many different things added to it. But it's a really cool experience to try, and hope you guys like it.